10 Best Quotes of Film Duck Soup 1933. Duck Soup. For those who love the Marx Brothers, Animal Crackers, A Night at the Opera, that this movie is side-slappingly funny is a given. For those new to the Marx Brothers, this is the perfect introduction to Groucho, Chico, and Harpo, and even Zeppo, three of the funniest men to ever grace the screen. Rufus T. Firefly, Groucho, is the dictator of the small nation Fridania. The country is a disaster, in financial disrepair, and the wealthy Mrs. Teasdale, Margaret Dumont, is its benefactor and the object of Firefly's shrewd affection. When the leader of the neighboring Sylvania decides he's in love with Mrs. Teasdale, Firefly declares war. The movie, from 1933, is tremendously satirical, a play on politics and war. As Firefly says to a hapless young soldier, "You're a brave man. Go and break through the lines." These notes were contributed by members of the Great Saver community. We are thankful for their contributions and encourage you to make your own. Written by Timothy Sexton. Secretary of War, how about taking up the tax? Firefly, how about taking up the carpet? Secretary of War, I still insist we must take up the tax. Firefly, he's right, you've gotta take up the tax before you can take up the carpet. Secretary of War Rufus T. Firefly, I got a good mind to join a club and beat you over the head with it. Rufus T. Firefly, outside of a dog, a book is a man's best friend. Inside of a dog, it's too dark to read. Groucho Marx, go and never darken my towels again. Groucho Marx, one morning I shot at my wife. I missed, but I accidentally killed a duck. Groucho Marx, I find television very educating. Every time somebody turns on the set, I go into the other room and read a book. Groucho Marx, closer. 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 Margaret Dumont, if I were any closer, I'd be in the back of you. Groucho Marx, why don't you drop dead? Groucho Marx, I don't believe in not sanity clause. Groucho Marx, who are you going to believe, me or your own eyes? Groucho Marx, one thing about death, there is no competition. Groucho Marx, I'd rather have a bottle in front of me than a frontal lobotomy. Groucho Marx, Rufus T. Firefly, Groucho Marx, I could dance with you till the cows come home. On second thought, I'd rather dance with the cows till you come home. Rufus T. Firefly, Groucho Marx, remember, you're fighting for this woman's honor, which is probably more than she ever did. Rufus T. Firefly, Groucho Marx, if you think this country's bad off now, just wait till I get through with it. Rufus T. Firefly, Groucho Marx, I've got a good mind to join a club and beat you over the head with it. Rufus T. Firefly, Groucho Marx, gentlemen, Ciccolini here may talk like an idiot and look like an idiot. But don't let that fool you. He really is an idiot. Ciccolini, Chico Marx, well, who you gonna believe, me or your own eyes?